Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Toyota Land Cruiser is back. There is just one powertrain option, the i4 Max Hybrid, a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a 48 horsepower electric motor. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission and a combined 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, standard full-time 4x4 with a 2-speed transfer case. It can tow 6,000 pounds. As a comparison, the previous Land Cruiser has a 5.7-liter V8 with an 8-speed automatic transmission, 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. It can tow 8,100 pounds. The Land Cruiser is slightly smaller. It is 4x4 in narrower and 1.2 shorter than the previous model. Toyota say this will make this new model nimbler on the trails. It will be offered in 3 trims: Land Cruiser 1958, Land Cruiser, and the first edition. There are 7 exterior color options and all models have 18-inch wheels, available 20-inch on the middle Land Cruiser trim. For the signature Land Cruiser look, the 1958 model will feature the iconic round LED headlights, LED fog lights, and Toyota Heritage grille. The Land Cruiser middle trim has slim rectangular headlights, reminiscent of the FG62, and the first edition model adds a roof rack, rock rails, round LED headlamps, tailgate light, a back door guard, and mud flaps. The Land Cruiser seats up to 5 passengers and features standard heated black cloth seat, available soft text and leather. It has Toyota update infotainment system which include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and comes standard with an 8-inch touchscreen, available 12.3-inch. Other available features include a moonroof, head-up display, digital rear view mirror, 14-speaker JBL sound system, ventilated front seat, and a power tailgate. The first edition model will be limited to 5,000 units in the first 2 months of production. The Land Cruiser will be built in Japan, and you can expect pricing to be announced closer to the on-sale date in the spring of 2024. But Toyota US says the Land Cruiser will have a starting MSRP in the mid-$50,000 range. Okay guys, what do you think about the all-new 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.